What I want to do today is I want to make a hand puppet version of this finger puppet I made, I think it's already 2 years ago. He had to be a finger puppet because the other hand puppets obviously are cats, so in the show. And for scale, I wanted him to be really tiny. But he's turned into quite the actor, and he kind of pops up in a lot of solo videos. And I thought it would be nice to see if I can create a hand puppet version for his solo videos so that he could speak a little bit. So that's what I want to do today, is I want to make the pattern, and I want to possibly start cutting and sewing. That'll be great.
Volta com esse alvo spray. Kijk eens op mijn been.